Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Today is Sunday morning, so I just finished. When I wake up, I just finished editing some of my video and all that. And this is not morning anymore. It's about 11 o'clock or 11 o'clock already. So come and join me. Take breakfast with me, guys. I'm losing this hair today. It's still beautiful, right? I'm losing it today. I hope I am. This is milk and latte. I say milk and latte. Milk and Lipton tea. How you guys doing? It has really been tough in my end. It has really been tough. It has not been easy. I've been off whitey for some days now, because my phone spoiled and all that. So, and the phone that spoiled, everything about me is inside that Samsung phone. But I don't have money to pay for another phone. I beg. To change the screen. The phone is not for nothing. It's not up to 3 months. It's not up to 3 months. I change the screen. It's not up to 3 months. So I'll send it to Africa. I just need any Samsung phone. I don't want to buy new phone. I want to buy second hand. Yes, I want to buy second hand. I've already have iPhone that I'm using. That one I'm just using to do thumbnail and so many other things. Now I lost my contact. Now I lost all my contacts. I don't have contact anymore. That's what I've been passing through lately. So I'm just going to take you guys along with what I'm going to do today. Basically, today is home vlog. You guys know I normally do home vlog. Do not forget to like and share this video, okay? I need water. Guys, I'm the one that's mopping the step. You know, in this our palazzo, we are not in 6. We are in 6. We are 6 apartment that is here. Today is 13. So I need to clean the step. Maybe I'm going to take you guys along. So see you guys on my next clip. Oh, I say baba oh. See clothes everywhere. See clothes. I just put this clothes here now, because I just changed my bedspread. Oh, yeah, the beans were for you yesterday. I never come out some. I don't forget God. Peculiar, cosa c'è? Mamma mia, sono stanca. È questo. Sono stanchissima. This one is our working clothes. Yes, our working clothes. So let me come and put the bedspread. You know. Clothes are the. My destiny is with my helper. Oh, see, I never feel remove this thing. My working clothes. to cut my hair so I can wash it. The hair is still new though, but it's rough. It's 2 weeks now. The hair is just 2 weeks. So let me cut it. My hair is not long, so not fear say I'll cut the hair. It's not long at all. You guys know that I cut my hair recently. So when I'm done, I just want to show you guys when I'm cutting it. So maybe it must remain small. I'll show you. I'll still show you. So talk to you guys later. So guys, I just finished taking off my hair down. So you see what my hair looks like. My hair looks like dread. Yes, it turns out to like dread, but I don't really know the kind of hair that I'm going to make and all that. So after losing my hair, I said, beg, make I look for something when I go chop hair, because I know feel that this is about 1:30, I think, about. So I was just trying to prepare what we are going to eat for the afternoon, because we already have soup, we have stew in the fridge and all that. So the soup we're going to use for this one is just the last one, like the remaining one. You understand? It's a vegetable soup that's very, very sweet. I like vegetable soup. So that one has finished, but I think I'm going to prepare another one, maybe the following week and all that. So guys, this is the puree. I don't know if you know puree, like patate. I don't know what is it called in English. What do they call it for English? Irish potato. This thing I am turning is Irish potato. I show you guys that day that I bought it. Is Irish potato. They call it puree. Then I mix it with a cornstarch. I mix it with starch, like the normal starch you make with oil. So I mix it so that it will be draw, okay? Because the normal cornstarch, like the normal patate, the thing they forget, when I know my me, don't even I come from Nigeria. What is it called? Irish potato. That Irish potato, they grounded this Irish potato. It was this Irish potato. Guys, see this thing? I've already born. Like I went to go and be doing something. I left it on fire, so the thing burned just like that too. This pot, not that I left it on fire like that. This pot, this particular pot, it body to the hot. So it body to the hot. Very soon I go so throw the pot, because it dey burn food. That I don't like to use it every time to cook. I like to use other pots to cook. I don't like to use this particular pot and all those things. So as I was saying, that starch, that patate, like the what is it called, the Irish potato, I mix it together. Without you do not put the starch, it's not going to draw like this. Like it's not going to draw. Do you understand? And it's very light-weighted, like very, very, very light. When you mix it together, when you eat it with anything, it's very, 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 very light, and I like it. And this is what we have been using before. If you have been watching my vlog, you know that we normally buy pando yam. Always say that pando yam is too heavy for the body, and which is really, really, really true. Very heavy for the body, and that's just it. That's why we stop. But we still have like 2 pack that we have not used, but we'll still use it too. With time we'll still use it though. So I just clean that place, because I don't just want to leave any stain for that place dirty and all those things. So this is the remaining vegetable soup that I was telling you guys about and all that. So this vegetable soup, I prepared it with cow leg. I don't call you know, as usual now. Somebody's son, I don't call. They come. I beg, look at this shop, they chop my food, before they cook. Honey.
Enjoy more of the latest blockbusters on Sky Cinema
morning, guys. I just came down from this bus. The sun is too much. Like, God, guys, are you even seeing me? The sun is too much. Oh my God. This is after 8 in the morning. I left the house about I think 7 o'clock in the morning. So I went to go and buy 1 or 2 things because so I can prepare. And I will be making my hair also today. Guys, see, my hair is very, very long now. I just finished from the African store. Now I'm going to the supermarket to buy 1 or 2 things there. Just few things we need at home. So that's just it. This sun is spoiling my video. Oh my God, the sun is too much. Like, see my face. I don't black finish like charcoal. So guys, how you guys doing? I shall take you along because this supermarket they don't like somebody to be recording this place. That's their problem. But I will try. See you guys later. Bye. This is the supermarket. This is what the supermarket looks like. So these are the things I've collected. Like I said before, so guys, this is what I'm buying. I don't know. I'm confused at this one or this one. Or this one. Should I take this one? Or this one? I don't know. It's so confused. Like, I should take this one. I like this one. So I collected this one already. So this is what my spaghetti looks like with that thing that I bought in the supermarket. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please do not forget to share this video. This is my plantain that I'm going to use it to top it. Okay, bye.